Get ready for a real spectacle. Trust me. Sprucing up a home's appearance is easy when you have white paint and an experienced pro on the job. This is how skilled workers make it easy to bring materials to the roof. This is by far the best version of dominoes, hands down. Take another look and tell us in the comments how many plates this server was able to carry. It must be amazing to have the ultimate dream team working for you. Only the most experienced professional can cut wood this way. A single move, and this massive construction project is on the right path. Check out this last-minute ticket hero. This woman is able to finish drywall perfectly while on stilts. And this worker is determined to fulfill his dream of joining the NBA. Check out this craftsman's amazing technique for creating intricate designs. This is so nice to watch that I wouldn't mind cleaning this board myself. You can tell that this harsh Icelandic job brings this guy pure joy. Some people are unstoppable, no matter what. Why is this so awesome? This team's coordination is as flawless as the AOS update. Just wait and see what true power is. Say hello to this bamboo cutting pro in action. Here's a skill that few people truly know. This lumberjack just totally blew my mind. Somebody get a stopwatch. I think this guy is about to break a record. I think we can all agree that an omelette from a culinary performer is much more appetizing. This has to be the best employee at AliExpress. Don't blink, or you might miss it. Immerse yourself in this artisan's incredible work. This woman can pack 1,000 more tea bags while yours is still steeping. How to skillfully unload 100 tons of gravel in just a couple of seconds. I wish I had her speed when it comes to washing dishes. Careful, you could easily get hooked on this worker's lightning speed. This door is suddenly transformed beyond recognition from the skilled touch of this man. You can immediately tell that trimming hedges is this guy's true passion. That's all for now. We'd be interested to know which of these jobs you would dare to try just for the experience. Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe so we can catch up with you again soon. Bye for now. You may not have a vacation coming up anytime soon, but we have a secret way of helping you be okay with that. Get ready to dive into our compilation of satisfying videos of workers doing their jobs perfectly. Their sincere dedication to their work will recharge and motivate you until that vacation finally arrives. You're watching Trending Machine, and as soon as you hit that subscribe and notification bell, we'll get to work. Thank you. Behold as this edible gold adheres perfectly to a nut with the help of a special technique by an experienced confectioner. The craftsmanship of this glass recycler is a source of unlimited satisfaction. Witness how the art of manipulating liquid plastic results in a perfect staircase. Under the careful hands of a master craftsman like this, even the finest of details will be restored. And this guy might as well be a magician. Enjoy watching the work of someone with an unwavering hand. It is absolutely amazing how this master artisan effortlessly twists red-hot metal. Give this person your rug and watch it be reborn as if it were brand new. This artist's mess-free work has convinced me to repaint my walls immediately. And here's a roofer whose dedication is sure to make your roof cleaner than ever. This incredibly smooth team could land themselves in the next Mission Impossible if they keep it up. Every time you take a sip of the world's finest tea, just know that it's all thanks to this woman's careful gathering skills. Applying window tint this flawlessly should be a crime. This guy's excavator skills are worthy of a circus show. Look at how this man turns asphalt repair into road art. You won't be able to resist checking out this impressive work again. This pro's satisfying technique makes you want to give window cleaning another try, doesn't it? Feast your eyes on the loveliest unboxing ever. Trust me, you're going to be craving this yogurt after you see this. Only a legendary master can turn a 133 kilograms stone into perfection like this. This guy has the magic touch when it comes to setting a table. And here's the fastest tile installer in the world. Anyone who has ever trimmed a hedge can appreciate how beautifully smooth this is. This woman's painstaking assembly of mesh definitely deserves a like, don't you think? Check out the size of this knife and the chef's cutting skills with it. Truly mesmerizing. Pressure washing can work wonders in the right hands. Only a true professional can be trusted to work so closely with a horse. Thanks to an extraordinary level of focus, this chef is able to create an incredible ball of dough. Check out this innovative way of using thread to work with clay. This vinyl wrap master's skills will revolutionize your perception of car colors. Clearly, this guy has faster reflexes than the Flash. This is really relaxing. To describe the awesomeness of their job, these people just have to say that they make ship propellers. The guy makes inflating 1,200 degrees Celsius red-hot glass look easier than blowing up a balloon. Who knew that the manufacturing process of ordinary rubber bands could be so fascinating? Here's a brilliant hack from a genius. First, cut a hole, then snap for a quick and safe cut. Take a look at this perfect concrete paving thanks to the ultimate team. Explore this astounding suspension bridge technology made possible by ingenious builders. Every day, this worker draws 1,000 lines, each more perfect than the last. After such a professional tutorial, carving fish might just become my new favorite thing to do. You're going to wish you knew this technique sooner. Watch these precise calculations as this worker prevents overspill while fitting glass. This part of the brickwork becomes fascinating in the right hands. This man is so fast that the homeowners will be moving in by the evening. The foundation of a flawless pool starts with these skilled guys. Is there an award for being the top mesh weaver? Because our champion has arrived. The fuel supply of an entire aircraft depends on another pilot's accuracy right now. Watch closely how this man's precise movements ensure the perfect hydro dip. This is how experienced farmers use straw to strengthen the soil and prevent erosion. The way this worker interacts seamlessly with the machine to manufacture shock absorbers is amazing. Watching this cooker's wanton-making techniques is enough to make your mouth water. This craftsman can plaster a wall at staggering speed, 30 times faster than usual. This guy definitely has a knack for finding the right bag for instant conveyor loading. She doesn't spill a drop of sesame oil. Awesome. Not even having the raging elements beneath your feet can stop you when you're a welder of the highest caliber. The guy knows his job so well that he could do it with his eyes closed. This is the level of perfection that you never want to stop watching. Witness the smooth excellence. Get ready for the Candy Ninja in full swing. This dedicated artist can draw impeccable lines even in the dark. Yet another passionate worker. I'm awestruck. Hand this man an airbrush and prepare for a mesmerizing makeover. I bet you've never seen professional fence coating before. Right now, this brave soul is saving someone's hard-earned home. To be able to scrape along the curved line with an excavator bucket takes serious skill. The cleanliness of the entire street rests on the incredible efforts of a single worker. This guy's job is like a real-life video game. And he's having a blast. Not a single noticeable difference in color. Unbelievable. This person is more skilled with their hands than a slicer machine. A painting wizard like this can make even the darkest colors look appealing. This creator's originality is truly amazing. Drop a comment with more creative ways to make pencils stand out. I guarantee this driveway has never been cleaner than when this master worked on it. Watch out, this virtuoso possesses truly kung fu-like finesse when cutting fish. Even a height of 3 meters isn't enough to stop this man from doing exceptional work. This operator is definitely the most unique pizza cutter ever. Hand a torch to a pro and watch them bring faded paint back to life. In this colossal warehouse, one employee stands out above the rest. This guy put ninja skills on his resume and actually lived up to it. A cohesive team doesn't need to rely on modern machines to deliver top-notch work. Are you willing to admit that you would have thrown away that awful seat? Well, step aside and let this guy work his magic, and you'll be amazed. This painter is second to none when it comes to applying primer. A hard worker drives miles while guaranteeing perfect markings along the way. The precision of this turf collection ensures that the grass will be able to take root in any new place. Ever seen a genuine artist behind the wheel of a lawnmower? The way this worker frosts these donuts makes them uniquely delicious. Mind-blowing! How can someone change the shape of metal with just one touch so easily? Thanks to this worker's experience, complex plastering tasks are a breeze. This is what good sorting should look like. A talented worker like this can turn an excavator bucket into an extension of their own hand. How about a quick sketch of a luxurious woodwork effect? The key to a flawless finish is perfect teamwork. Try not to get hypnotized by this passionate painting. This guy's skill is simply on a completely different level. One well-placed strike with a wrecking ball is all a true professional needs. Get ready for an amazing double dose of speed. This guy's Tetris skills are breathtaking. I'm totally blown away by the flawless balance of this worker. Don't you wish that every restaurant had super waiters like this? Such a resourceful worker can make any surface shine like it's brand new. This is what it means to value the process, not just the outcome. Imagine how strong you have to be to knock down a tree over 60 meters tall. Pretty captivating, isn't it? only the bravest professionals are willing to take on the Alaskan wilderness to service power lines. Introducing the guy who single-handedly prevented an entire street from flooding. You are now looking at one of the riskiest and most exciting jobs in the world, and this adept worker is more than capable of handling it. An artist created an incredible sculpture using nothing but trees and clay. Just 1 second, and the roller is ready for new paint. This task takes time and effort, but the result is truly rewarding. What could be more satisfying than seeing workers doing the unthinkable with their bare hands?